This is the beginning of something extraordinary, a 35-acre piece of land purchased, secured, and ready for transformation. The transfer is complete, and now the vision comes to life. Right here, on this land, a brand new children's village will rise. A place of safety, love, and opportunity for 85 orphaned and vulnerable children. A place where their futures will be rewritten, where hope will flourish, and where dreams will finally have the space to grow. Picture it: warm, welcoming homes filled with laughter. An education block where young minds will be shaped. Playgrounds where children will run free, unburdened by the past. Staff houses, community spaces, and gardens, all designed to create a thriving, self-sustaining village. This land isn't just soil and grass, it's the foundation for a brighter future. Every brick laid, every tree planted, and every structure built will be a testament to love, faith, and the power of God's miraculous provision. The journey has begun, the dream is unfolding, and together we are building something that will impact generations to come. Welcome to the future home of Lily of the Valley Children's Village, where hope takes root and children's lives are forever changed.